Who do I like more? I'll be honest. I like Yuna more.
Yuna.
Yeah. Yuna or Winter? I still like Yuna.
Oh,
Yuna's pretty
Yuna.
good. Yeah. She's a cutie. Yuna or Yuna wins. Yuna
Oh.
wins. She's good. Yeah, Ian. Yeah, she looks good. Yeah.
Ian?
Yeah.
Parkimchi.
Um,
Oh.
Lee Chae-young. I like Ian more because she's dressed better.
Oh, you can have a
Okay. Ian or Ningning? Ian. Let's go with Ian. We gotta go with Kaal. We gotta go.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she's a cutie. Kaal. Yeah.
Oh,
that's-
your ideal
yeah.
type is Kaul.